Fanhome, Eaglemoss, Enterprise D. We're up to magazine 24. We've got part kit 91. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Star Trek build, the Enterprise D from Eaglemoss HeroCollector, sold to us now by Fanhome. Part kit 91, so it looks like we might have got some usual stuff, some panels. This is going to be repetitive, rinse, repeat panels anyway, to finish off the saucers, a phaser bank there, and the underside of the front section of the secondary hull, so that's starting to get into place. And I'm liking the way that I've seen on here. There are parts here that get covered by panels which don't look as bad as just putting a little screw hole cover, which as these have got on. So before I do anything, let's have a look in the magazine and have a quick spy in what we've got coming on here. So we have parts 91, 92, we've got these parts here, so just one section. So it's going to be the same as what we've had for quite a few months now. One piece, then another piece, and then they both go together with another probably piece there and there, and then screwed into place. That one, to be honest, it looks like it might be a section we might not use. I'm thinking 3 of these might go together as one big part across. Big part across, the underneath section. Oh, that doesn't go on straight away then. Okay, yeah, it comes down to this there, so then we'll have 2 sections, 2 sections across the front of here. Am I right or am I wrong? Patches there, bit to there, bit to there. Yes, and no, and yes. So yeah, it's just making another wedge of the saucer, but also doing the second roll at the same time. We're a couple of magazines away from we actually do the second nacelle, which I'm looking forward to doing, but I'm already halfway through modding mine anyway. So I can show you that. You might see that on this video. If not, I have another video, separate video for modding that nacelle. There's a lot of other mods as well. I've been doing a hell of a lot. I swore I would never do it, but I have done. So we have synopsis for Outcast, Cause and Effect, one of my favourite episodes. You just repeat, repeat, repeat. And you had the USS, why does that say the Courageous? It wasn't, it was the Bozeman. With Captain Morgan Batesman, which is Kelsey Grammer, which doesn't, no, it's Captain Bateman. Cool. So yeah, it was very much a warship sort of, but not. First Duty, that's where we see the, is it Red Squad? Please tell me I'm right on Red Squad. It's done by, yeah, guy who played Tom Paris, Robert Duncan McNeil, is it? Yeah, Cost of Living, with this strange, weird, oddball sort of things for Alexander. Perfect Mate, which actually shows, oh, what was her name now? Yeah, she actually plays, yeah, Frank Jamson. She actually plays Phoenix, not Phoenix, Jean Grey in the X-Men. Imaginary Friend with the, yeah, not Wildman, is it? It's the other character, the other young, yeah, from the Isabella, Iborg. Okay, and that leads on to later on in the series for the end of series. This is series 5, is it, or is it 4? 5. The Descent episode. Next phase, that was a brilliant one, which is just literally Michelle Forbes shooting Captain William Riker in the head. Yes, cool. So we need to get on with parts. So parts on here, I'm going to get these out into a box and we'll start making. I'll do my usual. I'll put these, all the screws, any bits in my pot and ready for construction, the bits that we are going to be using. Yeah, we'll start building. So there doesn't appear to be much to do on this one. So we'll start off with the part here. So we've got lifeboat, lifeboat, lifeboat. So I want 3 of those out of the pot. I am doing the lifeboats mod from my lane, but I will be putting those on later. And for some reason, I still have to put these the right way around. So was it outwards or inwards? I think it was outwards. So yeah, they're wedging quite nicely, keeping a little bit of flash on there, but is it the right way? I haven't got the model near me. For me, it doesn't really matter at all, the wrong or right. So yeah, put them in. I've got some blanking parts afterwards. It's lucky for me I haven't got to do them anymore. So they do fall off, then yeah, they'll be kind of upside down. For me, yeah, I've got one the wrong way around, but I'm doing the lifeboat mod doing that. So I think they actually want to be that way, so that one is actually, right, my OCD's kicked in. Fine. So that's there and there. I have the piece that, which is an L piece, which goes over, to go over that one. There's a cutout bit there, flush against here's a cutout there, that's right. And then this piece here. I hate these pieces because they're held in by one screw. And it just looks such a bad thing to do, it held over there. Just its own strength holding it in. I need 3 AM screws, one there, one there, one there, and then we can get on with the next part. So with me, I explained before, putting the screws in, with it being AM screws, that means they're A because they're the A size, and M because they're going to metal. I've put 1, 2, 3, and then screw, screw, screw. They are making their own threads on the way, and there is no spare thread actually in the holes. So what I do is I'll screw this one until it gets tight, and then I'll start that one, then I'll start that one, then go back to there, there, there. If you do it too much, you will either rip out the threads that you're making as new, or you will rip off the head of the screw. Just be careful. That's all I can say. Be careful. This is no easy model to do. This is also not a difficult model either. So we have the plastic bit which has got marked out windows that aren't doing anything. Some mods I'll do on this quite easily, some mods I really won't. This only looks like it goes in one way. So if it doesn't go one way, easily goes into the other one. We don't have a light for this either. I think this is one of the lights that they put on the skeleton already. So we put the hole in there, that part on there, go the right way around as well. The B and L's on top, excuse me. So I'm going to need to find a screw for that one, which is another AM screw. Hold that in place, and then we can get on with getting 2 DP screws for this and putting the phaser bank on. There are so many inconsistencies between the lengths of some of the screws I've been putting away, and I'm sure I put them the right ones. But the BL1 was a little bit awkward. Doesn't seem to be in properly either. But yeah, doesn't lip under that bit there either, so it just holds on top of the plastic. If you're going to do a resin upgrade on these, then it's a good idea to do, but you will take a lot longer to do it. So, phaser bank goes round for this section here. Working with plugs and printed circuit boards. Right, circuit boards. So the DP plastic screws, because the P, put them in, nice and steady. The friction will warm up the plastic, and we know this is a delicate, pretty little model. It doesn't like things, so that's a bit hard to get in, so I'm swapping screws to do that one. Stop there, back to that one. I would love to do the mod that this whole phaser bank is one piece. I don't have a 3D printer. I had the right colour paint, but unfortunately, I'm not entirely happy with this, you know. Ooh, that felt like it was about to come off. Right, so what I'm going to be doing afterwards is I will put the decals on these when they're in place, because it makes it a lot easier for me. So that piece is done with. That piece we're not even touching until the next issue. So unfortunately, that's us done for now. Cool. So just basically making a piece, and then, yeah, cool, okay. Nice short bit to start with. That's good. Part 1 done with. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon. All the links are below. Consider donating something if you like. I'll do a nice little video for you and say a big thank you at the end of the video. So, with that in mind, thanks for watching. See you in the video. Bye for now.